Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra steering wheel. First, safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. It is crucial to wait at least 10 minutes for the airbag system to fully discharge, preventing accidental deployment. Before you start, ensure your steering wheel and front wheels are perfectly straight. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a 21mm socket for this task. Next, we will tackle the airbag module. Look for small access holes on both sides of the steering wheel. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into these holes to depress the retaining clips. You will feel the airbag module begin to release. Once both sides are unclipped, gently pull the airbag module away. Then, disconnect the two electrical connectors, often yellow and blue, from the back of the module and set it aside safely. With the airbag safely out of the way, you will see the horn wire and the main steering wheel nut. First, remove the horn wire by pushing in and turning its small plunger switch counterclockwise. Now, use your 21mm socket to loosen the large center nut that secures the steering wheel. It is important to unscrew this nut almost completely, but leave it threaded on by a few turns. This prevents the steering wheel from suddenly coming off with force. Finally, it's time to remove the steering wheel itself. With the nut still slightly attached, apply firm, even pressure to pull the wheel towards you. Sometimes, a steering wheel puller tool is needed for a stubborn wheel, which can be rented or purchased for around $20 to $40. Once loose, fully remove the nut and carefully guide any remaining wires through the steering column. Ensure the clock spring stays centered to avoid damage during this final step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.